Hey guys, it's been a moment since I actually did a video. I've been pretty busy with tons of stuff, stickers, decals, wood burning commissions, all kinds of new things too. So today I'm just going to show you real quick how to put a decal on wood. This is actually for a person in a neighboring city who requested specific words on a sign. So I'm just going to show you how to apply the decal. I've already cut it in Design Space. I've already done all I need to do actually, so I'm just applying the decal. So normally I would ask my husband to cut me some wood and then I would sand it, stain it, all that stuff, which I did some of that, but I actually bought the wood from Michael's. My husband's been really busy with commissions and cabinet making and all kinds of stuff. So I'm not saying he didn't have time to cut me a piece of wood, but honestly he didn't have time. So, and I'm okay with that. So I bought some wood from Michael's. It is 9 by 12, and I actually tried 2 other different types of stain before I went with this, and I don't know what happened. The first one I used was called True Black, and that didn't work. It wasn't black enough. It wasn't true, like the name, but it was called True Black. And then the second one was Ebony. It was better, but not enough because the client wanted it black, and short of me actually painting this black, I was trying to find other ways to do it. So sorry about the shininess. It's just because of the angle of my camera, or my phone actually, because I don't have a camera. So I'm going to attempt to put this transfer tape on. Normally I would piecemeal it, but I think I'm going to try to just do it in one piece, and if it doesn't work, then we will piecemeal it and it'll be okay. I got this transfer tape from Amazon, and I can put a link in the description. I'm just making sure there's no dust on it, because if there's dust on it, then the dust will transfer. I always get nervous for this because if it messes up, then I have to try to fix it, and it's okay. What I do is I just let it go, and then I get my scraper and then gently scrape it on. I use a Google Pixel 5 for all of my videos. I went to Verizon and I said, I need the best cell phone that has does photos, and right now, at the moment, it's the Google Pixel 5. So I'm then gonna roll this out more a little bit, and then I'm actually going to take my X-Acto knife and very carefully, without cutting the table, I'm going to cut this off. I'm just gonna lightly do it. Actually, I'm gonna start up here, so bear with me. And it might go off the bottom of the table, so give me 1 moment. Excuse me, sorry. Then I'm going to take this up and I'm going to roll the rest of it on itself. So I have my transfer tape on this part of the decal. I'm just gonna burnish it a little bit more. In order to take off a decal from the carrier sheet, you're gonna turn it upside down, and then gently pull it back. Now these carrier sheets, I save mine, even the smaller pieces, because I save everything. Because sometimes you have a piece of vinyl that you've cut and you can, you have some that you can use again. Like a piece, it's hard to explain, but anyway, I save mine, the big ones. So I'm gonna gently peel this off. Now if you peel it and it starts taking a letter, you need to put it right back down and then burnish it again and then try again. So we're outside right now. After looking at my wood inside the house, it was really blotchy. I couldn't believe it. I saw it in the light and it was really bad. So I took it outside and I'm going to sand it a little bit, and then I'm going to add another coat. But this time I'm going to try the ebony again and see if that works. Okay, so I've sanded and then stained this again, and it looks a lot better. I'm probably gonna stain it one more time. It looks better than it did, but I probably just do it one more time just in case. Okay, so we are back inside the house. I gave it another 2 coats of ebony stain. So I'm gonna very carefully put this on as straight as possible. And so before I push it down or whatever, I'm gonna look at it, and once I have it straight, sorry about the glare on the thing, I'm going to go ahead and press it down. And then I'm just going to, with the bottom part, I'm just going to very carefully peel this up, and then very carefully again take my burnisher and gently move this down, just like that. So we're gonna see if I burnish this enough, and we're just gonna slowly take some of it up. Now if it doesn't, like it starts to come up off of the wood, then you would put it down again and burnish it more. I'm always careful with this because sometimes I see people just rip it off. I'm like, what? Yeah, right. I like to put my carrier sheet on the right side of me. Oops, sorry. Oops. See how the A is coming up? I'm going to put it down and burnish it again. And pull it very short, slowly. This A, okay. So I'm gonna pull, oops, I lost no dot. Oh no. And burnish that more. And pull it again. Making sure you don't lose anything. Sorry, this takes a long time. Not really long, it's just you want to be careful. And you can reuse this. Oh, I think I lost an S. Oh no. I'll fix that. No problem. I must have lost it. Alright, so let's see if I can find it. So I can't find. Sorry. So I lost some of my S. So the best thing to do right now is to take this S off, and we're going to reprint it or recut it. Okay, that's not a big deal. So let me see if I could do this with one hand, right? And it sounds like my dogs are killing each other, but they're actually not. That looks pretty good. Alright, so I went ahead and put the transfer tape on the second part of the sign, or the decal. And as you can see, it says Blind Mom. And this is for a customer who is blind. And she contacted me and she wanted something to say, you know, specifically these words. And because every time she opens the door, she was tired of explaining that she's blind. So she said, maybe if there's a sign right by the door, maybe they will read it and not, you know, say, hey, can you look at this, or whatever it is they have, you know. I know what she means, so I'm gonna take this off like this, gently. Alright, sorry about that. My hand touched the on button of my lamp. So we're going to first put this one down in the middle of this. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and burnish it. And then this should be good. And if it's not, then I'll redo it. So now I'm going to very carefully pull back the transfer tape, and I possibly could use it again for something else. Gotta be very careful. And there we go. So it's a cute sign for somebody specifically. I really like the color of this vinyl. I want to say it's teal, but I'm not sure. It is Starcraft. That's another brand of vinyl. It cut really well. I actually like it, so I'm going to be ordering from them again. So there we go. I'm going to add some hardware to the back. I will probably put a, you know, just something that can hold a nail. So there we go. Thanks for watching.